how to zip and unzip files in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So first things first, to zip files, you have to go to your computer files first and then choose the files that you want to zip. So if you want two files in the same folder, then just right click on a blank space and then there you'll see new option, tap on it and then tap on new folder. Now you can name the folder anything you want and then just drag and drop the files that you want on the folder. So once you've done that, just right click on the folder and then there you'll see compress to option, tap on it and then there you'll see zip file. So go ahead and click on it and there you go. Your files have been converted into a zip file. Now, if you want to unzip it, you'll try right clicking it first and then you'll try to unzip it. So, what you have to do is tap on extract all and then select a destination and extract the folder. So, just extract it. And once you extract it, your files will be unzipped. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.